In my previous video about turmeric, I told you I live in zone 9B and turmeric is a tropical plant. It requires hot weather for 9 to 10 months and I could never get it in zone 9B. So I planted the turmeric rhizomes indoors and they took a few months to start growing. But then by the end of the winter, they were about a foot tall. So in spring, I transplanted them outside in my raised bed. And as soon as I planted them in the raised bed and the summer started, meaning, the weather became hot, they started growing really, really well. And then because the turmeric actually grows as roots, so I also planted some other plants like cucumbers in the same bed, and they were growing on the top, and the turmeric, they were growing below the soil. And as November approached, I realized that now the weather is becoming cooler, so I just dug them up. And let me show you. Ooh, look at that. Wow. Nice, very nice. Look at that. These are all fresh growth. From one plant, so much turmeric has come out. This is beautiful. Let me try digging up this other one. Beautiful. So let me dig up rest of the things and then I'll show you. Look at these now. I have cleaned these up, and while cleaning, some of these things broke out, but that's good. So here you can see that probably these were the original ones, the brownish one, and these bright ones are the new ones that grew. So not bad, for about 7 plants, I got all this turmeric. The only thing is that it takes a long time. So this was a product of almost 1 year. But still, if you use turmeric and if you have space, this is a great thing to grow. The only thing you have to make sure is that it grows well in warm temperatures. So you have to plant it where it gets maximum amount of sun, and you have to water it consistently. The soil should be loamy, because any root vegetable, it has to grow under the soil. If the soil is very compact, then the roots are not going to grow well. So you want to have loamy soil and be consistent with watering, and nothing else. Just plant it and then watch it grow. So now it's fall again, so I'm going to take a few of these and plant them again and keep it indoors, and then again in spring I'll plant them outside, and the cycle will continue. So I hope these 2 videos of turmeric were useful to you. If you have any questions, leave me a comment and I'll try to answer as soon as possible. If you like this video, press the like button, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to share it with your friends and family. And I'll see you next time. Happy gardening. Bye.